Hello guys and welcome back to another video. You're watching Dollarama channel. So we're back again with another video, and this time we are featuring the Ultra Zap Guard, the insect killer. Not sure how many of you have problems with mosquitoes. However, I don't have mosquitoes in my home. Maybe I'm a mosquito. Hopefully this thing don't zap me. Anyhow, moving forward. So we're going to be featuring this product today. It's a mosquito killer. So safe and chemical free, the vortex airflow design effectively suction flying insects, making them impossible to escape. I hate mosquitoes. You remember back in the day when you go to camping or you're simply outside and you're just getting bit, you're playing with your friends, your mother calls you over with the insect repellent spray. That thing burns. On a large scale, in just a room area, be able to keep this or a little bit on your balcony, etc., workshop, who knows. So the powerful vacuum fan quickly draws insect in, attracts, trap, and kills flying insects. I'm talking about food flies too, not just mosquitoes, guys. So anyhow, get into it. Let's open this bad boy and see what it's capable of, or however. Let's see what it can do. Don't have any insects here, but let's just review the product, shall we? Okay. So let's get to open this box and see what it comes with, or what's on the inside. Alright. So far, very package nice. Got a lot of bubble wrap. Pretty lightweight. Nothing to it. Yeah. Let's put this aside. So, you probably wonder, is it battery operated? No, so you don't have to stick any battery and keep changing the battery. If you simply have any cell phone brick, you just plug this into it. It can be 1A or 2A. I think the more amps will be the better. So, let's see what it's capable of. So, I'm not sure how to open this, but how do you get the insects out? Ooh. First, you want to just take this tray. I believe this is the insect tray. And then there's pretty much here is the, I'm not sure how to open it. I don't want to break anything. You can see the instruction manual. But let's just light it up and see how it works. Okay? Plug in, you can use a trusty power bank. So let's plug this up and see. I don't believe it has an on or off switch. You just simply plug it up and it starts work right away. But let's see. Ooh, you can see some blue lights going on here. Really powerful fan. I'm going to use something as an example, like an insect, and see pretty much how, hopefully you can see on camera. So I'm going to be using tiny pieces of tissue. Oh! I guess that went in. If you unplug, I will see where the tissue went. Nothing in the tray. Nothing came in the tray here. So, I guess it's powerful, but I guess you really got to take this thing apart to clean it. Let's take a look at the instruction manual, shall we? Let's plug this out for now. Instruction manual, how to take it apart. So I'm looking at this here. Alright, let's see the instruction manual. How to take this thing. Not too much information on how to take it apart. So I know for one, you pretty much screw this and it snaps off. Anyhow, in my opinion, this is gonna get dirty. So, I guess they're just showing the design and how it actually functions, but this, however, I think it's screwed in. Yeah, it's just screwed. There's two screws there. here, right here, and you can take that apart if you have a small screwdriver at home just to clean it, etc. And I guess the same goes for the top as everything is connected. But for the tray, I guess on the downside, you have to wait till your tray fills up with insect, and then pretty much that's it. You just clean this tray. Everything, however, insect will get trapped, however, inside this unit. So I guess you want to take it apart with a screwdriver, actually clean it up to make it more sanitary for your home. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for the Ultra Zap Guard. If you have one and you have any experience with it, you see it first here, and then you want to purchase one, you know where to go. So that's the Ultra Zap Guard. Hopefully you like the button, subscribe, and share with friends in order to get this mosquito repellent. You can keep it in the nursery, on your balcony, inside your home, and keep the baby safe and yourself. So long. This is Rama saying goodbye, and see you in another video.